Hello and welcome, dear student. This is me, Aisha Nazir, teaching you better English literacy skills for grade 5, and I hope you all are doing good at your homes. As you know that we have started our lesson number 2. You must have your books in your hands. First, we have done the reading and explanation, and then we have done the question answers. So I hope you have done these 6 question answers of page number 10. And today we are going to start our B question. Look at the question. Who am I? Look, think and write the correct animal or bird. They have given us clues, and through these clues we have to identify which animal is this. These are some of the qualities of these animals, and we have to identify. And how we will identify them? We have to give a thorough reading to our lesson once, and after that we have to attempt this question, so this will be more easier for us. So look at the first one. I have poor eyesight, and they have done it. It's hedgehog. And how they know this? I have poor eyesight, and we have done this here somewhere. Yes, look at this. The hedgehog is only about the length of a ruler. It has poor eyesight, so we know it from the lesson. Next is I leave a smell behind. Now, who leave a smell behind? Look at this. Badgers leaves a scent behind them when they travel to mark out their territory. So, who leave the smell behind? It's called badger. Next is I was once a tadpole. Yes, about tadpole I have shown you the pictures as well in the last video. Little tadpole, frogs. This is related to frog. So the answer would be frog. Next is I am a buck or a doe. This is the easiest one. In the first paragraph we have done the male is a buck and the female is a doe. They are talking about the deer. So the answer is deer. Next is I am a nutty collector. Now, who collects the nut? We have read it here. Squirrels gather nuts and store them for winter months. So, who gather nuts? Squirrels. So, the answer is squirrel. Next is, excuse me, I just burped. So, who burped? We have done it in the question answers as well. This is, they make a burping sound. Who make? Deer. We are talking about deer. So, the answer is deer. Next, I am a bit prickly. Who is a bit prickly? As we have read about where it is about hedgehogs. Yes, they have a poor eyesight, great sense of smell, they can travel long way, and when in danger it curls up in a ball and about 5,000 spines protect it. They have spines all over their body, that's why they are prickly. So it's hedgehog. Next one is I live in underground tunnel. We have read about the badgers that they, look at this, yes, they live in a large groups and underground tunnel called sets. So they live in the underground tunnel. I have shown you the picture in the last second last video, I guess. This is badger. Next, I am the biggest of the group. As we know, the biggest of the group, at the very start of the lesson, the deer is the largest of these. So means deer is the biggest of these animals. Next, I am a bit of a hoot. Now, who does hooting? It is owl hooting in the woods at night. Hooting, the kind of sound they produce at night, this is called hooting. So who hoots? It's owl. So these are the answers of this question. You have to do it on the book with the help of pencil. And now come to the last question of the activity page. See, imagine, draw what you think of the footprints of each animal looks like. Now we have given the space and they are asking you to draw the footprints of the following animals. It's not necessary that you have to make the footprints of 8 or 9 animals. At least 5 animal footprints should be there on your book. And I have take a picture of one of them for you. For example, you can see This is a frog footprint that we have read about in the lesson, and also about the badger, you can see here, and the hedgehog, and the fox. Yes, sparrow is also can also be in live in forest, and deer. Yes, you can also make of footprint of zebra as well, and kangaroo as well. These are some of the common animals of forest. So footprints like these you have to make on your this space. Okay, so at least 5 animal footprints should be there on your book, and this is your homework. You have to do it with the help of pencil. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video.